If you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach for 7 days, this is what happens to your body. One of most often used ingredients in the cuisines around the world is garlic. It gives good taste to the food, but is also very powerful, and it is known to be able to heal many diseases. If you consume it raw, it can turn into an amazing and powerful remedy. It helps in the decreasing of cholesterol and high blood pressure. Garlic also stops the effects of atherosclerosis and prevents heart attack and coronary heart disease. If you have problems like flu, bug bites, cold, fungal infections, diarrhea, you should definitely consider trying garlic. What's more, garlic can help you manage the symptoms of osteoarthritis, diabetes, and an enlarged prostate. It can improve your immunity and your body's ability to remove toxins. Garlic combined with ginger and onion can really help you detox your organism from chemotherapy. How to use garlic? The best way to consume garlic is raw, because its active ingredient called allicin is decentralized by heat. Crush and slice the clove before consuming it, and leave it for 15 minutes. When you crush the clove, it activates a reaction that makes allicin more bioavailable. Be aware of the fact that it should be eaten on an empty stomach, because if your stomach is full of food, it has difficulties to process and absorb all the food's nutrients. Raw garlic and honey. Chop 2 to 3 garlic cloves into small pieces. Mix them with a tablespoon of honey. You will feel more energized and healthy if you consider taking this combination every day. Garlic flu tonic. Always wear gloves if you have sensitive skin, and don't rub your eyes when you make this tonic. Because some of the natural oils can trigger a skin rash or burn. You need roughly chopped half yellow onion. 5 roughly chopped garlic cloves. 2 red chili peppers, also roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Squeeze juice of 1 lemon. Raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. How to prepare it? Place the roughly chopped onion in a mason jar of 350 milliliters to 500 milliliters. Next, add the chopped garlic. Follow with the red chili peppers, seeds and all. Then, carefully place some chopped ginger. Squeeze the lemon in a separate bowl, throw away the seeds, and then pour the juice. At the end, add the apple cider vinegar and leave about a centimeter of room at the top. Close the jar and place it on the counter or in a pantry. Now, you can start using the tonic remedy for flu, cold and sore. Subscribe to my channel and share videos with all your friends.